Hey everyone, Tony Winston here for Jazz Piano College. You know, a lot of middle schools and high schools will have jazz bands, and typically the songs will include at least one blues in the key of B flat. Sometimes it's a song like Centerpiece, or it could be a lot of other different songs as well. But it's a blues in B flat, and piano players are usually given a chart which is like got two notes in each hand, something like this. And so what I'm suggesting is that I have a track that you can play along with, and you can use some of those chords that are on your chart and see if they fit. They may not, but they probably will. But I'm going to show you some basic chords that you can use with your left hand and improvise some blues with your right hand. This is really essential to get the feeling of the blues, is to learn how to improvise. I'm going to give it to you for two different ways, all right? So, this could be for a little bit more advanced players or older players as well. Let's start off with a B-flat chord that looks like this. I'm going to put the root in with my other hand just so you can hear it. All right, there's a B-flat, and here's an E-flat. All right, and of course I've got these printed out that you can download, and also the track is free. You can download the track and play along with it. And I'm going to put chords in so you can play along with my chords, or you can just improvise with your right hand, or if you play another instrument, you can improvise along with the track. Should be no problem. Okay, so we've got a B flat, we've got an E flat, and back to B flat. Then we're going to go to E flat again. We're going to hang out there for a little while, and we're going to go back to B flat. And then we've got a little passing chord here of G7. See, there's a G7. Funny note there, but it's going to make it sound good. Then we're going to go to a C minor, an F7, and back to B flat. Now for our turnaround, that's the little part that comes right at the end on the last measure or two. We're just going to do something very simple. We're just going to hit the 5 of the scale. We're in the key of B flat, so that's the 5, and we're going to put the octave down there. All right, now let me demonstrate this with the track. So here it is with the track, and then I'll show you the other way to do it, and then we'll go over the blues scale a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, another way you can do it is it's kind of the same chord. We're going to play it up a little bit higher. It's slightly different, but it gives you the same feeling. It's a B flat chord, an E flat chord, and B flat chord. We go back to the E flat, hang out there for a little while, back to the B flat chord, and then we're going to come all the way up here and hit this rather funny sounding G7th chord. It's got a sharp 9 on it there. And then our C minor like this. You can play it just like that if you wanted to, or we got all 4 notes. And then our F7 will be like this. And then our turnaround is the same as before. All right, here it is with the track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it one more time the way I showed you. Up to this one. Now some improv. That's the blues scale. Last verse. Okay, Band on the Box. Band in the Box does that track. So it's kind of, artificial intelligence. Doesn't know how to put a very good ending on the blues, but that's okay. It's just for practice anyway. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I can do a follow-up video on this and help you out with any of the concepts that are confusing to you. And I appreciate everyone who supports me on Patreon as well as through PayPal. The links are in the description. And see you again soon. Thanks.